Lots of peoples.
Now we'll watch them unfurl the flag. Now watch as they start this down play with our nation's Star-Spangled Banner in tow. MIA flag flying high in the sky there, courtesy of our jumpers there, the Black Dagger. Breeze, making it difficult for these jumpers. Let him hear you. He can hear you now for sure as it comes on down. Again, the Black Daggers. These are the special ops guys. Many of you have seen the Golden Knights, but these guys, they jump into the dark of night to take care of the bad guys day in and day out. On his body, but Kevin, he's ready for it. A trained athlete, as we said, flying on the Red Bull circus. Tons of horsepower in an airplane that he could fly like he stole it with. This guy is having the time of his life, I guarantee it. When you get to meet Kevin later on today, if you want to fly, ask him how you can do it, because this guy, he can tell you anything and everything you want to know. Coalition. Now, tell them about this, because you guys in the Air Force are flying fights and now you find yourself playing to fly in any kind of wind. DRS Sustainment Systems, Metro PCS, enter.